Right now, millions of people are using AI created by billion-dollar companies. But almost nobody realizes something. You don't need to depend on them. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to create my own AI from scratch on this phone. Now open your browser and search for Lovable AI. Click on official website. Now imagine this one step further. Instead of just an assistant, you can turn this into your own AI-powered app. For example, I created an AI called Quantologia AI. It helps generate YouTube scripts, powerful hooks, thumbnails, and even viral titles. This was built using simple instructions powered by ChatGPT. No coding, no complicated setup, just the right prompt. And if you want to try it yourself, I've provided the exact prompt in the description below. Now click on the Start button and it will start generating our app. It shows Enable Cloud. Click Allow. All things are setting up. So finally our app is ready. Click on Preview button to preview it. And boom, here's our app, let's test it. So guys, here you can see our app is working great. And by clicking on Publish, you can publish your app. And if you want this turned into a full mobile app, comment mobile.